You want me to undo these? Okay, so if you want to show off the pieces, just show, you know, just do whatever you want to do with it.
No, undo the nails.
Oh, the nails. Yeah. Pop. Pop.
They're like guns.
Oh yeah? What do you know about guns? Is that done? Do you use this?
No, you do the rest.
I can hold this. And you want to unscrew it? Other way. Well, you just tighten. That's real tight now. Tighten it. That's good.
The tiny bit.
Can you loosen it?
You're gonna make it tight.
You made it very tight. It's about as tight as it'll go. Can you loosen it? Here, use the Phillips head. Well, they'll both do both, you know. Tighten it either way. That kind of takes people long. What are you trying to do? Tell me. Use your words first. Tighten it? Okay. Keep going. Nope, nope, nope. The other way. Other way. And just keep going. Keep going. There you go. Okay. That's as fast as it'll go. If you make it too tight, you're gonna bend your screwdriver. There you go. It's very, very tight.
So,
tighten? Okay.
You hold it with this. Tighter. I'm saying tighter to my thumb. Tighter.
Here, use the right tool. You need the Phillips.
Tighter. Why?
See? Because that one fits.
Yeah, but there's no size to it. See? What's that?
Oh, I'm so holding it.
Hey, I'm trying to get door wrap. I don't think it gets any tighter than that, sweetheart.
No, I am trying to.
Let me tell you, it's super tight. You have it very, very tight. That's good. You did a great job. It's not going to get any tighter than that. But why don't you take out some of your aggression by hammering? When you're frustrated, you can hammer in a nail, okay? These off. Oh, you made them. Yeah, you made them